This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. Impressive two-story and sought-after village green neighborhood with community pool, tennis courts, and playground. Recently updated in June 2021 for a new buyer, including all the hardwood floors refinished, freshly painted, crawl space repairs, chimney cleaned, new breaker box, roof and siding in 2016, HVAC in 2016. Other updates include quartz countertops, electric cooktop and built-in oven. 4 spacious bedrooms, 2.5 baths, oversized garage, laundry room, cul-de-sac location, and half-acre lot. See this exceptional home before it is gone. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Keeley at 757